Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics page number 51. What are prime and composite numbers? Now children, here I have written the numbers till 12 and here I am finding their factors. Now if I see at 1, I have the number of factors only 1. If I see at the number 2, I have factors 2. If I see the number 3, I have the factor 1 and 3. That means how many factors I have here? Only 2. Now if I look at number 4, the factors that I have is 1, 2, 4. It means how many factors I have, children? 3. Now if you look at the number 5, you have the factors 1 and 5. How many factors we have in all? 2. Now children, if you look at number 6, you have factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. It means how many factors you have in all? 4. Now if you look at number 7, you see that it has factor 1 and 7. It means how many factors it has? 2. Now similarly children, number 8 has factors 1, 2, 4, 8. It means in all how many factors it has? 4. Number 9, it has factors 1, 3, 9. It means how many factors? 3. 10 number has 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors for 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. It means in all it has 4 factors. Now if you see at the number 11, you see that it has factors 1 and 11. It means how many factors it has in all? 2. Now children, if you look at the table number 12, you see that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. It means how many factors it has, children? 6. Now children, if you look in this, except 1, there are numbers having factors 2 factors. Now see this 2, 3 number has 2 factors, 5 has 2 factors, 7 has 2 factors. Then children, this 11 has 2 factors. But if you look at the factors of these 2, you will find 1 and the number itself. If you look at the number 3, 1 and the number itself. If you look at 5, again it has the number of factors are 2. But which are the factors? 1 and the number itself. If you look at 7, it also has 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. If you look at 11, you see that it has factors 1 and the number itself. Means children what? The number other than 1 means except 1. Other than 1 means what? We don't have to include this 1. Whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Now children, they are telling you to find some more prime numbers other than these. Now children, on page number 52, they have given you the this format that numbers they have written up to 100 and they have circled the numbers that are prime numbers. Now see children, from 1 to 10, what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. From 11 to 20, what are the prime numbers children? 11, 13, 17, 19. Now from 21 to 30, the prime numbers are 23 and 29. From 31 to 40, the prime numbers are 31, 37. Now from 41 to 50, the numbers are 41, 43, 47. Now children, from 51 to 60, the prime numbers are 53 and 59. From 61 to 70, the prime numbers are 61, 67. Now children, from 71 to 80, the prime numbers are 71, 73, 79. Now children, from 81 to 90, prime numbers are 83 and 89. And from 91 to 100, the prime number is only 97. Now children, you might have question in your mind how you find it out like this. Now see, all the multiples of 2 are going to be cancelled, means except 2, all the even numbers in this we will cancel first. Except 5, all the series multiples of 5 or series of 5 will be get cancelled because they will all be there in the table of 5. Now the left numbers, out of the left numbers you have to see whether it has factors other than 1 and number itself, and then that you are going to circle is it as a prime number. Children, this activity you have to do it at your home, but without seeing you have to practice it. What you are going to do? You are going to write the numbers from 1 to 100. Then you are going to 1 we don't have to consider. 2 you have to circle because it is prime number we have seen. 3 you have to circle. 5 you have to circle. 7 you have to circle, as these are prime numbers from 1 to 10. After that, children, what you do, you cut all the multiples, even numbers from that 1 to 100. All even numbers should be cut. All 15, 25, these numbers, this line should be cut, and the remaining you find out whether they are in some other table or not. And if they are not, then you have to circle it. But don't consider that whether it is in the table of 1, because every number is there in the table of 1, or 1 is the factor of every number. Understood, children? This you are going to try it on your own at your home. Now, children, what are composite numbers? The numbers having more than 2 factors like 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now see, children, more than 2 factors means 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. These are called composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite number. Now children, hope you have understood what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. Now children, what are even numbers and odd numbers? I hope that you all understand what are even numbers and odd numbers. Now children, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are odd, even numbers, and you see that they are multiple of 2. Okay children, the rest numbers, the remaining numbers other than these are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and these are called odd numbers. Now children, 2 is the smallest prime number which is even, and every prime number except 2 is a odd number. Understood, children? Now in the next video I am going to show you how to solve exercise 3.2.